What's going on, members? Welcome to the member part of my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate you all subscribing here with your membership. Obviously, you've been able to see what the perks instill for you guys. You get a discount to my lifetime access on my private group. So if that is something that you are interested in, please click my Twitter profile and send me a DM on Twitter, and I'll be sure to respond with the current discount for that access. Obviously, being a member here, I will shoot one video or one stream a month, giving you inside information into what I'm currently looking at in crypto or any potential questions that you do have. So please comment below on this particular video if you would like me to cover anything in the next month's video. Here is the video that I thought I'd shoot for you guys, just my top sort of plays in crypto at the moment as we start to consolidate and move towards the halving in the coming months. So thanks for being here, guys. As always, here's the video. So guys, here's my Twitter profile, Greeny_ETH. Send me a DM, I'll reach out and I'll let you know what the discount is for my private alpha group. Prices are actually going to go increasing in a couple of weeks. I'm about to start my monthly subscription in a couple of weeks as well. So definitely, if this is probably the last time, prices will be about as low as they are right now. Otherwise, they're about to increase as we move to that new subscription model. What I thought I'd show you today, guys, is essentially just some of the top plays that I'm really still looking at in crypto right now. We're in a real interesting consolidation phase. We're starting to see BTC go closer to 45 again. We're sitting about 43 earlier today, but as you can see here on the screen, guys, the fear and greed index is in the neutral. So a lot of people on the timeline, a lot of people in crypto at the moment are a bit undecisive about whether we move up or whether we move down. Now on the macro side of things, I'm definitely still bullish. We're in a high time bullish structure frame. However, lower time frames, we are starting to see a bit of up and down movement, which is, again, very healthy because we've been up only since October till about the start of January. So it is great to see a healthy retracement so that we can prolong this cycle moving into 2025. Now, my obvious top plays is Solana. I'm still a super big bull on Solana. I think if you can get Solana under $90 or even under $100, I think that'll play off its 3 to 5 range in the future. I definitely think AVAX as well. AVAX under 35, even under 40, guys, is an absolute steal in my opinion for longer term plays. They're my top two tokens, probably in the top 20, I would say. Outside those, I'm really diving deep into the gaming ecosystem and other layer ones. So layer ones that I've got my eye on is obviously Say. Say is definitely a big one, guys, that I think accumulating throughout the last couple of months has definitely seen a bit of love and a bit of price going up, as you can see on the screen here. Another one I'm eyeing off is obviously Sui. It's probably less on my radar compared to Say. Say is definitely one that I've had more of an eye on. As you can see here, guys, Sui has found a big nice bottom, but is starting to trend nice and quickly. However, the last sort of layer one play that I want to talk about is obviously Celestia. Now, it's one that you can stake, guys. Look into the Kepler staking dashboard. There's a potential airdrop there. So that's some alpha that I'm currently giving in several different groups. As you can see, Celestia is nothing but strength, guys. So that's why I've got Celestia. The only layer two I'm looking at is ARB. As you can see here, Arbitrum has been on absolute tear, guys. It's probably where I'm placing my bets on the Ethereum ecosystem. I'll talk specifically around some potential NFT plays and some potential other plays in a moment, but what I'm looking at in Ethereum is only Arbitrum, okay? Now, obviously we have gaming, and it's a huge narrative in crypto, and I still think a lot of people are sleeping on it. Obviously we have within gaming, you have AVAX and Polygon is probably one as well, but I'm probably more bullish on Immutable and AVAX, okay? And within AVAX, I'm loving Beam at the moment. The dexes I'm looking at currently on Solana is obviously Radium. I've spoken about that quite a lot. I'm looking at Trader Joe on AVAX as, again, sort of underlying token plays under those two ecosystems. Outside that, coming back to gaming, Ronan's not a bad play. I've definitely picked up Ronan. More recently, Treasure/Magic are really starting to create a nice space in their ecosystem. So there's two that I'm looking at. Vulcan Forge, I've been talking about this a long time. I think that's a great play longer term. Nakamoto Games is another platform that I've really been interested over the last couple of months. Sniper, this is where you can trade some of your Solana NFTs is what you call them, guys. And again, my main plays right now on Solana is obviously Mad Lads. It's the premier one on Solana. I think it's a no-brainer play moving into the coming year. I would probably say their backpack wallet is just taking off. They're getting airdrops in different ways. Now, I know it is quite a large price, but it is certainly going to keep going up in the next few months ahead. The one play on Ethereum that I'm looking at is obviously Little Pudgies. I have rocked them from 0.3 ETH all the way up to 1.7 ETH. So I would love to see a little bit more of a pullback before I like to enter those. Obviously, I will keep an eye on the rest of the NFT market across both Solana and Ethereum and even Ordinals. I just picked up 2 Bitcoin puppets actually, which I think will be a good play longer term. And what I'm currently looking into, guys, is actually how you can lend/borrow. Now that is super risky, but If you have a bit of capital left over on the side, I'm starting to look into borrow or lending NFTs or potentially my Solana if I'd like to do that as well. So there's my alpha, guys, for the moment. Obviously, please comment down below if you'd like me to cover anything in the next month. I'll be sure to do that as soon as possible. But obviously, comment down below your thoughts around potential plays or potential alpha that you have. And obviously, thanks for being a member here on my channel. I really do love having you guys here. And you do get some extra perks as well, guys. So you can have some of those membership perks when I do a live stream, which I like to do at least one individual one per week and one with Craig every week. So definitely tune into those. Turn your notifications on so you get them ASAP when I do drop them, okay? But as always, guys, thanks for being here. I really do cherish your support, and let's keep winning in 2024.